Okay, number 1. What is the probability a worker prefers wearing socks? Blow this up a little bit. So the probability that, so this is tennis shoes, this is dress shoes, and this is socks. So the probability that someone, tennis shoes, dress shoes, sandals, socks, no socks. So socks is going to be 23 divided by 42. What is the probability a worker prefers socks and dress shoes? So socks and dress shoes is going to be this guy right here. So that's going to be probability of socks and dress shoes is the intersection. That's going to be 12 divided by 42. Given a worker prefers socks, so we're given that the worker prefers socks right now, which is going to be just this column right there, or that row, excuse me. What's the probability he or she prefers wearing sandals? So that's going to be the intersection of socks and sandals divided by the probability of socks. So the intersection is going to be 1 divided by 23. What is the probability a worker prefers not wearing socks or tennis shoes? So not wearing socks or tennis shoes. So you're going to add the probability of the people that prefer to wear socks. Oh, not socks, my bad. Undo. We're going to go not socks and tennis shoes. So we're going to do 19 plus 12 minus the thing they counted twice, minus 2. So that's going to give me 29 divided by the total of 42. Finally, what would the following equation represent? 12 divided by 23. 12 divided by 23. So I got a couple different 12, so I got to figure out which one to use. So 23 is here. 12 is going to be there. So that's going to be, given that I'm wearing socks, the probability that I'm going to wear a dress shoe. So probability given that I'm wearing socks. The probability, that looks wrong for some reason. The probability that I'm wearing dress shoes is going to be here. There you go.